we're going to do an example of what solving a problem using vectors looks like. So I'm actually going to do two examples. The first one, I'm just going to draw up, start explaining. I'm actually going to pause and let you, or I'm going to pause for a second, let you pause it and work on your own if you want to. And I'll take you through it. The other one, I'm just going to draw the picture, write the problem, and say go. So the one that I'm going to kind of walk you through is one of the most common cases where we use vectors is projectile motion. And projectile motion is a fancy way of saying when you throw something. So if I'm throwing a ball, let's say that I throw it at 2 meters per second. And I'm throwing it at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. So the first thing I always do when I get a problem like this is draw a picture. Actually, I do that every single problem, draw a picture, just please do. So for this one, what I would do is complete the triangle. And make sure that you complete it with the 2 in the hypotenuse, so that way we can really see what's happening. I know how far my friend is over here. He's some distance away, and I'm throwing it at him. And so if I'm throwing this thing at him, and I know how far he is, and there are equations that will allow you to, if you know the distance and you know the velocity, you can find how long it'll be in the air, something like that. So he knows how long he has to move away from that spot before whatever I'm throwing at him hits him. What's really helpful is finding it in the x direction. So if we want to find this x side, we're going to call it, since we're dealing with velocity, we're going to call it v sub x. I'm now going to pause for a second and just stand here and let you solve it on your own if you would like.